Never married? Co-parenting after a breakup is possible. Co-parenting can feel overwhelming after a breakup, especially when you were never married to your partner. The transition from a shared household to separate lives often raises questions about custody, communication, and the best way to protect your child's future. While the emotional aspects are challenging, understanding the legal framework is critical to creating a stable and predictable environment for your children. When parents in Texas are unmarried, the law grants automatic custody rights to the mother, regardless of whether the father is listed on the birth certificate. This includes both legal and physical custody, meaning the mother controls decisions about healthcare, education, and where the child lives. Fathers who wish to be actively involved must establish paternity. They can do this by signing an acknowledgement of paternity form, if both parents agree, or by pursuing a suit to adjudicate parentage in court, which often requires DNA testing. Once paternity is legally confirmed, the father must obtain a court order to secure custody or visitation rights. Without these steps, a father has no enforceable legal rights regarding the child. So, is company parenting after a breakup really possible if you were never married? The answer is yes, but it requires careful planning and legal safeguards. Establishing a custody agreement is the foundation. This agreement outlines where the child will live, how time will be divided, and who makes major decisions. Without it, conflicts can escalate quickly, leaving one parent without clarity or recourse. Fathers, in particular, need to take legal action early if they want to ensure meaningful involvement in their child's life. Custody arrangements in Texas hinge on two elements: legal custody, which is the power to make major decisions, and physical custody, which determines the child's primary residence. Courts favor stability, so maintaining a child's routine is often prioritized. Beyond custody, parents must also address financial responsibilities. While informal agreements are possible, a formal child support order ensures consistency and provides legal enforcement if payments lapse. Child support is calculated based on each parent's income, the number of children, and the custody schedule. Additional expenses, such as medical bills, extracurricular activities, or private school tuition, may be shared separately through written agreements. For unmarried parents, the process often begins with establishing paternity. Once that is resolved, the court can issue binding custody and support orders. While this may sound daunting, these legal steps are designed to protect the child's best interests while giving both parents clear rights and responsibilities. Communication also plays a central role. Parents are encouraged to treat co-parenting like a business partnership, focusing on respectful dialogue and consistency in rules and schedules. This approach shields children from conflict and helps them feel secure even as they move between two households. Ultimately, co-parenting after a breakup is not only possible but can be a healthy arrangement when approached with preparation and cooperation. By securing legal documents, establishing financial clarity, and committing to consistency, parents can build a structure that benefits their children long after the breakup. For guidance tailored to your circumstances, contact the law office of Whitney L. Thompson at 281-214-0173 or visit 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road W Suite 360, Box number 116B, Houston, Texas, 77068. This law firm is dedicated to helping families create lasting solutions that prioritize the well-being of their children.